do wish that I had had a class like this when I was in high school. I learned science, but it was very much just learning out of a book, and just memorizing terms and categories of things. And this is so much more integrated with what we do and how we live. Project-based learning is always a better route than just straight book learning, because we learn by doing, and that just means that students are going to be having experiences that are concrete, um, and that are personal, that gets stored in their brains in a different way than something that they're just reading or hearing. So they're going to be thinking about it more. They're going to be connecting more um, meaningfully, and I think things actually make more sense when you do them. So, and it gives them a chance to take more ownership over their learning. The systems thinking is, I think that is what makes this meaningful. Particulars are just that. They may be forgotten, but the systems and the concepts are going to stay with them. And so they're going to be noticing things out in the world, and making connections with the work that they learned here. And they're going to be able to name those connections more because they've learned systems. I think they learned a ton and really opened their minds at a pivotal moment in their development, as young people, and I think that'll stay with them no matter what they choose to do. And it was very manageable and very clear, and I found that I was learning alongside the students, but also using my educator experience and lens. I think I was able to help be an intermediate between them and the curriculum. I mean, that's always the work of a teacher. You're working with students, you're working with content, and bringing it to them. So this was absolutely a situation that worked for me, and I enjoyed it.